Here's a pair of Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset. Now there's actually two ways you can factory reset. One of the ways is using the case by itself. And I've tried this. What you got to do is plug it in. Make sure the earbuds are in here, and then you want to hold the sensor up here for 30 seconds and it should factory reset while it's charging. Okay. However, that didn't work for me. So the other way I have to do it now is I had to download the app. The Sennheiser app. It's called Smart Control. Okay, that's what the icon here looks like. It's called Smart Control. So let me go ahead and tap on that. And I got to make sure it's connected here. It says connecting here. Oh, it says disconnected. Let me see if I can go ahead and connect these. Let me go back here. Let's see if it connects now. Okay, so it's connected now. So now I just go to settings over here, settings. And then from here, it's going to go down to where it says factory reset. Okay, there it is, factory reset. Let's go and tap on that. You can go ahead and redo that right there. It's going to take about 20 seconds or so. And after the factory reset, remove the product entries from your Bluetooth pairing list on your smartphone to connect again, okay? So let me go ahead and click on OK right there. And now right away, it's going to start the factory reset. Again, it takes about 20 seconds. So let's just wait here patiently. Just about done. Okay, there you go. The Momentum True Wireless 3 has been successfully reset. Now it says remove the product entries from the Bluetooth pairing list of your smartphone if you want to connect on the same phone again. Okay, so let me click on OK here. And then this is an iPhone here. So let me just go into my settings here, and I'm going to go to my Bluetooth settings. Go to my Bluetooth here. And then it was, let's see, it was Momentum 3. Let me see if it's this one here. Is it this one? Okay, yeah, so this is it right here. So I'm going to forget the device right there, just like that. And now if I want to connect to this phone right now, I just go ahead and put these like in pairing mode again. Just press and hold for like 3 seconds. Just wait till it starts blinking red and blue. And now you can go back and you can go ahead and, oh, there it is. And then you can reconnect from there. Okay, questions or issues, just comment below. All right, good luck, guys.